Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Linguistics and Literature. Our today's topic is politeness in linguistics, or we can say politeness in pragmatics. It is very interesting topic. It is helpful, it is useful whenever you conversate with other people, you will use this politeness. This is very interesting. So be connected till the end and watch the video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now start. Politeness in pragmatics. So pragmatics, we already know that it studies the hidden meaning of words, the implied meaning of the words, the sentences, the phrases. This is what our pragmatics. So politeness means politeness. It gives a sense that polite, being polite. So how will you be polite while speaking? This is actually study about this thing. So we will see now in the definition. Politeness in pragmatics refers to the strategies speakers use to show awareness of others' social status, feelings, and self image, often called face. Okay, this is the thing like, for example, someone speaks, then thinks that who is speaking with means who is the person, who is the listener, then according to the person chooses the words to speak. This is what awareness of social status. What is the status of another person, what another person feels while speaking with you. This is called what? Politeness in conversation, politeness in pragmatics. This is politeness in pragmatics. So I hope that you have understood. Means what kind of person in front of you is, you are thinking about, and you are choosing the words. Giving respect is what? Your politeness. Politeness helps to maintain social harmony and avoid conflicts in communication. Means it helps to maintain social harmony. Means social harmony, the beauty of social conversation. It maintains the beauty of social conversation and avoid conflicts in communication. Means using the face, there is no conflict in your communication. It often involves indirectness, softening of request, showing difference. So this is what it helps, means that whenever you are being polite, you are being soft. When are you are being polite, you are making requests. This is the study of actually politeness in pragmatics. We are having some important examples, we will understand after studying all these examples of politeness in pragmatics. Indirect request means, indirect request is one example of politeness. The first one is direct: give me the salt. Polite: could you pass the salt please? This is polite. Means if you are being direct, that is not polite, that is not politeness. Give me the salt, you are asking directly from someone. This is not politeness. Whereas when you are being polite, you will say, could you pass the salt please? This is your politeness. Here, the polite version softens the request, making it less demanding and more considerate of the listener. This is what request. Softening criticism. Direct: this report is wrong. Second is polite. Now you can see, I think there might be a few areas that need revision in the report. Now this is what actually the direct and the polite version. The polite version minimizes the harshness of the criticism, making it more diplomatic. Okay, you have got it. Apologizing. Direct: I'm late. Polite: I am terribly sorry for being late. Now see, both give the same sense, but one is polite and one is direct. The polite one is from politeness in pragmatics, whereas the direct is the direct one, direct speech act. Adding an apology and using terribly makes the statement more polite by showing regret. Offering help. Direct: you need help with that. Polite: would you like some help with that? This is polite. Now see, both give the same sense, but one is polite means someone in front of you, you respect it, or you are you know about the status of someone who is in front of you, you are speaking with him. So this is what actually showing your politeness. The polite version frames the offer is an option respecting the listener's autonomy. So, politeness helps to manage social relationships by showing respect, reducing potential conflicts, and acknowledging others' feeling. So, this was the topic of today. I hope that you people have understood. This was very interesting topic. When you are using whenever you speak, but you don't know about what kind of topic is this. This is politeness in pragmatics. We can say politeness is a topic term from pragmatics, and it's very interesting. While speaking, we are using those who are studying in linguistics and literature. This would be very interesting for them and helpful for them, and all other can also think about this very thing while speaking, while talking. This can make you understand what is actually the importance of speaking. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.